Good morning from Buena Vista, Colorado. I think I'm saying that right. Buena Vista. Some people tell me it's Buena Vista or whatever. Whatever. We're doing 24 hours here today. Adventures, just all day. We're starting out the Denny Creek Trailhead. Let's go, 24 hours. 24 hours, let's do this. Little buddy. Yes, I forgot to throw the trash away again. Little buddy, you ready to go for a hike? You wanna go for a hike? Let's go. All right, so the first hike of the day is the Denny Creek Trail, which is pretty already. Look at that. I am camping literally a half mile from this trailhead, and I have made a wrong turn. Let's try this again. I didn't see a map. It's not my fault. Okay, we are moving on to our second trail of the day. This is the Lower Cottonwood Trail. And I don't know what to expect, but I know that there is a river slash stream slash airplane in the background. All right, that last trail, the Denny Creek Trail, short, sweet, and it actually is the trailhead if you were going to climb Mount Yale, which I actually considered for a minute. I've never climbed a 14er, and I think Mount Yale is 14,140 feet, something like that. Anyway, was not prepared for a 4,400 foot elevation 9-mile hike this morning. I'm just too fat, man, and I'm too much from Florida. I'm not ready for my first 14er yet. Soon, I'm gonna do it. So this is the Cottonwood Trail. We're headed towards downtown area of Buena Vista. And I guess this one's supposed to be on a stream, Cottonwood Stream. I'm gonna go crush some miles on this one, because all we have, 24 hours in Buena Vista before we head to Leadville. Well, I feel like this is as good a place as any to do some live streaming. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? Their pencil got dull, and I don't see a pencil sharpener. I'm such a good person. Not bad. Did you find a stick? Did you find a stick? Give me that stick. So weird, that stick is still attached. It's still attached. Okay. I don't want it. Oh God, you're disgusting. You're so dirty. You're so dirty. Cottonwood Creek. Excellent start, Buena Vista. Excellent hike. That was a lot of fun. We went 2 miles. It's just all along the river, and then it starts climbing, and you see peaks of the collegiate peaks. Peaks of the collegiate peaks, huh? Peaks of the collegiate mountains. Like, I think that's Mount Harvard, which is the southernmost of the peaks. So now, in town, I'd like to get some coffee. Also, FYI, this trail gets really crowded. There was only 3 cars here when we got here around 8:30 or so. Now it's full, and cars are parked all along the road there. So get here early, just like most trails. All right, let's go downtown. Little buddy, you wanna go exploring? You wanna go explore downtown? It looks nice. Okay, first impressions of Buena Vista. It's nice. It's a nice little town. You've got mountains all around it. All the way around, 360 degrees of mountains. You've got Mount One of the colleges. It's pretty. I mean, it's a Wednesday afternoon. There's people out playing pickleball. It's clean. People are nice. It reminds me a little bit of Spearfish, South Dakota, if you've ever been there. There's 2 town halls. That's weird. So we're down at Riverpark? Riverfront Park? I don't know. This is going to be a long day of walking and exploring. This is a cool town. We found a dog park. Let's go do a little Wyatt fun. You meet some friends? Buddy? Did you find a new friend? What? Cool. What is this? It's my theory. Any towns that have a river that runs through them are gonna be awesome towns. I'm liking this so far. Eddyline Brewery. I was told by many people to come here, including ChatGPT. I should grok. I use grok. Tons of beers, and they have pizza. So I'm gonna do that. I've earned it today. So here are the rules. When you're okay, red block. When you need something, green block. So clever. What are you doing, buddy? Do you want some pizza too? Well, I have to say these fries are legit. Those are clearly cut here. So good.
Princeton calzone.
Yes, thank you so much.
Do you need fork and knife?
Yes, please.
Here.
Thank you so much.
Perfect, thank you.
Look at that. Well, that was absolutely excellent. Eddyline Brewery. Had a calzone, absolutely delicious. 2 good beers, and of course, I ate too much in typical Johnny fashion. That's what we're working with here. All right, moving on. So this is the town park, donated in 1880. We got people fishing. What area have I found? Look at these rocks. Just absolutely random, out of nowhere. Look at that. So there's a place called Elephant Rock, which is like BLM camping. I know there's like BLM campgrounds out here, which might be that. I'm not quite sure. But this is what we're gonna find out. Okay, we've driven to the north side of town to check out these tunnels. These are what's called the Midland Tunnels. They were built for a railroad in 1887, and apparently you can drive through them now. There's all sorts of, it's like BLM area. I just kind of drove around, was checking that area out. Pretty cool, looks very campable, very reasonable to get to. So let's go check these tunnels out. So that over there is what's called Elephant Rock. Like a little BLM camping area. See a lot of vans. You can camp for free. Not us, buddy. We paid $25 for our campsite. Damn it. What a cool area, though. I might come here and explore tomorrow on my way to Twin Lakes. I don't know. Looks like there's some good hiking to do. But just what a fun drive, just driving through those tunnels. That was so cool. It was so cool, in fact, that I'm gonna go do it again because I have to go back. I have to go back that way. Well, we are back at camp. Wyatt is pooped. I'm a little pooped. I'm sorry for the short episode this week. We just had 24 hours. It was supposed to be 2 days, but it just rained all day yesterday, so we stayed at camp editing videos. Very exciting. But next one, the next week will be a lot more fun. We're gonna go to Twin Lakes area, possibly Leadville. I don't know. Just kind of working our way towards Rocky Mountain National Park, which I'm very excited about. I have reservations. Pretty stoked about that. We'll talk about that later. So until next time, thank you all for watching. Please be kind to each other and keep exploring life with an open mind.